Hey YouTube, it's your girl Christina coming at you again with another update on my hair. The video I uploaded earlier, I've been trying to upload that video for about 2 weeks now, so that video is kind of old, but yeah, this is my hair. I did like the wand effect, but I used my curling iron. Let me show you what curling iron I used. I used this one. And I just wrapped the hair around the barrel like such and held it, and then I let it go. And this is a hot tool curling iron, and it gets really hot. Let me see. The flat iron I used was my Babyless Nano. For the side right here. The feathers, as I say. But so far the 22 still sheds some. But when it's straight it doesn't shed, so I don't understand, but it sheds a little bit when I comb it out and stuff, but otherwise it's not too bad of shedding. It's not like everywhere. So this is the update on my hair. And it's just the same Indian bodywave from Aliexpress that I ordered. And I also have these basketball inspired earrings. You guys can see. I didn't make these this time. I bought them. Actually, I'm selling them. So yeah. Let me go all the way up. I love these. It's like my favorite pair. So subscribe, leave a comment. I'll leave my Twitter down below. You can follow me also on Twitter. Please like and subscribe to my page. If you subscribe to me, I will subscribe to you back. Also, you can leave messages. I will message you back. And as a friend, I will add you as a friend back. But this is my update on my hair. I hope you guys like it. So thank you again. Have a nice day, YouTube. Bye.